Gratitude as a quantum force that shapes reality. It sounds wild, but new research combining neuroscience and quantum mechanics suggests our thankful thoughts literally reprogram the fabric of the universe.
That's quite a bold claim. Are you saying there's actual scientific evidence behind this?
Well, here's what's fascinating. When we experience gratitude, our brains release specific neurochemicals that create measurable electromagnetic fields around our bodies. And in quantum physics, these fields interact with particles in ways we are just beginning to understand.
So this isn't just about feeling good. There's a physical mechanism at work.
Exactly right. Think of it like this. Reality is broadcasting infinite possible frequencies like a cosmic radio station. Our emotional state, particularly gratitude, acts as a tuner selecting which frequency becomes real.
You know what this reminds me of? All those manifestation books that were popular a few years ago. How is this different?
Well, this isn't about magical thinking. The double-slit experiment in quantum physics shows that particles exist in multiple states until observed. When we combine that with our emotional electromagnetic fields, we're actually influencing which potential reality becomes fixed.
So you're saying our gratitude literally collapses quantum possibilities into reality. That's mind-bending.
And here's where it gets really interesting. Most people have it backwards. They wait for something good to happen before feeling grateful. But quantum mechanics shows that consciousness affects outcomes before they manifest.
Could you break down how someone would actually put this into practice?
There's a 3-step process that research has shown works consistently. First, visualize your desired reality with complete sensory detail. Second, generate the emotion of already living it. Third, and this is crucial, anchor it with gratitude, not hope.
What's the key difference between anchoring with gratitude versus hope?
Hope creates distance. It's like saying maybe someday, but gratitude creates immediate alignment. In quantum terms, hope keeps possibilities as waves, while gratitude collapses them into particles, into actual reality.
That's fascinating. So when ancient wisdom traditions talked about the power of gratitude, they were actually describing quantum mechanics.
Precisely. We are seeing this remarkable convergence where cutting-edge physics is validating what spiritual traditions have taught for millennia. The electromagnetic fields generated by gratitude can be measured with modern equipment.
But what about skeptics? How do you convince someone this isn't just positive thinking dressed up in quantum language?
Well, the evidence is in the laboratory results. When people enter states of genuine gratitude, their heart rhythms become more coherent, creating measurable changes in their electromagnetic field. These fields interact with quantum particles in predictable ways.
So, we're basically walking around with quantum field generators, and most of us don't even realize it.
That's right. And here's something even more profound. Thoughts aren't private. They're constantly sending signals into the quantum field. When we're grateful, we're not just affecting our own reality, we're contributing to the collective field.
That suggests we have much more responsibility for our emotional states than we might have thought.
Exactly. But it's not about being perfectly positive all the time. It's about understanding that gratitude isn't just an emotion. It's a technology for reality creation. The more we understand this, the more effectively we can use it.
You know, this whole conversation has completely transformed how I think about being thankful.
And that's the real paradigm shift. When you feel genuine gratitude, you're not just expressing an emotion, you're sending instructions to the quantum field. You're actively participating in the creation of reality itself.